Budgeting hacks for 2024. Save money like a pro in a tough economy. Hey guys, it's your friendly Finance Journey 360 back with another video. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind in this crazy economy. Budgeting. Let's face it, saving money right now can feel like trying to find a decent Wi-Fi signal on a plane. But fear not, budget warriors. I'm here to share some killer hacks and simple strategies that will help you slash your spending, boost your savings, and conquer those financial goals like a boss, even in 2024. Hack Hash 1, the 50-30-20 rule, your budgeting BFF. First things first, let's ditch the boring spreadsheets and embrace a system that's easy and effective. Enter the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs. Rent, groceries, bills, the essentials that keep you alive and roofed. 30% goes to wants, that fancy coffee, the new shoes, the occasional concert ticket, the fun stuff that makes life enjoyable. 20% goes to savings and debt, building your emergency fund, paying down loans, investing for the future, the stuff that sets you up for financial freedom. This simple framework gives you a clear roadmap for your money. Just track your income and expenses, categorize them into these buckets, and adjust as needed. It's like having a financial autopilot. Hack Hash 2. Embrace the envelope system. Cash is king. Tired of watching your money disappear in digital limbo? Try the envelope system. Withdraw a specific amount of cash for each category, needs, wants, savings, at the beginning of the month, and put it in labeled envelopes. When the envelope is empty, that category is done for the month. This hands-on approach forces you to be mindful of your spending and prevents you from overspending on impulse buys. Plus, there's something oddly satisfying about physically crossing things off your budget list with a marker. Hack Hash 3. The grocery game / food costs like a ninja. Groceries can be a budget black hole, but fear not, foodie friends. Here are some ninja moves to save big. Meal plan and stick to it. Planning your meals reduces impulse buys and food waste. Bonus points for leftovers. Embrace the power of coupons and apps. Ibotta, Flip, Rakuten, these bad boys can get you serious discounts. Don't be afraid to clip some coupons old school style. Shop the sales and stock up on staples. Buy in bulk when things are on sale, especially non-perishables. You'll be thanking yourself later when inflation strikes. Hack Hash 4. Befriend the library and free entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to break the bank. Tap into the treasure trove of free resources at your local library. Books, movies, music, even events and workshops. You can also find tons of free online entertainment, YouTube channels, streaming documentaries, educational podcasts. The possibilities are endless. Hack Hash 5, the challenge mindset. Make saving fun. Let's be honest, budgeting can feel like a chore. So let's gamify it. Set yourself savings challenges like the no-spend weekend or the $5 coffee challenge. Track your progress, reward yourself for reaching milestones, and celebrate your victories, maybe with a guilt-free latte. Remember, progress, not perfection, is key. Don't beat yourself up over slip-ups. Just pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and get back on track. Every penny saved is a victory dance in the making. All right, budget warriors, that's your crash course in saving money in 2024. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. By implementing these hacks and adopting a mindful approach to your finances, you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings grow. So grab your notebook, unleash your inner budgeting ninja, and conquer your financial goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe.